In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Adobe Photoshop internet connections. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to manage data usage or enhance your privacy. Let's get started and walk through the process together in a few easy steps. First, you want to start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard together with the S key. This handy shortcut opens up the search bar on your Windows computer. In the search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall and click to open it. Windows Defender Firewall is an essential tool that helps you control internet connections and protect your system from unauthorized access. Once you've opened Windows Defender Firewall, look to the left side of the window and click on Advanced Settings. This action will open up a new window where you can customize the way your firewall controls internet traffic. Here, you're going to focus on the Outbound Rules section, which is also on the left panel. Outbound rules are crucial because they dictate how outgoing traffic is managed from your computer to the internet. By controlling these, you can decide which applications have internet access. Now, let's move forward by clicking on New Rule found on the right-hand side of the screen. A prompt will appear asking what kind of rule you want to create. Choose Program and then click Next. This option ensures that the rule you set up will only apply to a specific program, which, in our case, is Adobe Photoshop. The next step is to specify the path to the Photoshop executable. Click on this program path, then use the Browse button to locate the Photoshop executable file on your computer. This is the file that runs Photoshop, and setting a rule here means controlling the internet access specifically for this program. Once you have selected the executable file, choose the Block the Connection option. This choice will prevent Photoshop from connecting to the internet, effectively stopping any data transfer between the application and external servers. After this, simply click Next. You'll then be presented with options to apply your new rule to various network types: domain, private, and public. It's a good practice to select all three to ensure that Photoshop remains blocked across all network types. This provides comprehensive coverage regardless of where your computer connects. Finally, click Next once more, and you'll reach the screen where you can give your rule a name. Choose a name that you'll easily recognize, something like Photoshop Block, and click Finish to apply your rule. And there you have it. You're all set. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully restricted Adobe Photoshop's ability to connect to the internet using Windows Defender Firewall. This not only enhances your privacy, but also helps in controlling your data usage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.